Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss all about linked list data structure. So we will discuss the introduction of linked list, important terms and the representation. So let's start with the introduction part. A linked list is a sequence of data structures which are connected together with the help of links. As its name implies, linked list. यानी कि we have some list and all these lists are linked together. All these lists are linked together with the help of some element or with the help of some values. Okay, linked list is the second most used data structure. It is what? It is the second most used data structure after array. Right? Linked list can also be defined as a collection of objects. It is a collection of objects and these objects are called nodes. Okay, these objects are called nodes that are randomly stored in the memory. All these nodes are randomly stored in the memory. Okay, this is very important term. As I have told you कि in case of linked list we have some lists and all these lists are linked together. ठीक है, so इसको बोला जाता है nodes. Okay, all these objects or nodes are called the lists. Okay, and all these nodes are linked together with the help of some element. With the help of some element, or we can say that with the help of some key reference value, right? So linked list is a sequence of links which contain some items. In case of linked list, every node contains some data item. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कोई भी नंबर हो सकता है, जैसे कि हमने देखा था arrays के केस में. In case of arrays, we have some addresses and all these are the values of array. Right? All these are the values that are stored in array. So linked list के केस में क्या होता है, यहाँ पे इसी तरह से वैल्यू स्टोर की जाती. जैसे ये 18, ये वाली वैल्यू जो है हमने फर्स्ट नोड में कर दी सेव. सेकेंड नोड में वी विल स्टोर 20 and this is what? This is the reference or element with the help of which we are going to link all these nodes. Okay, this is what? This is node 2 and now we will write the value 8. This is node 3. Okay, so linked list का जो basic structure है वो कुछ इस तरह से होता है. Now we will discuss some important terms that are used in linked list. So first important term we have is link. Each link of a linked list can store a data called an element. Okay, we have some nodes and each link of the linked list can store a data called the elements. ठीक है, यानी कि यहाँ पे ठीक है, this is ये जो complete set है, okay, ये जो complete set होता है इसको बोला जाता है node. This is node 1 and this is node 2. Here we have some value, जैसे कि हमने देखा था 20. This is called element. This is called element. Okay. Next is each link of the linked list contains a link to the next node. Link to the next node. This is called next. Okay. Next point is linked list. A linked list contains a connection link to the first link called first. ठीक है, अब जैसे कि यहाँ पे हमने देखा कि जितनी भी नोड्स हैं वो सभी नोड्स क्या हैं, डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड हैं. ठीक है, रेफरेंस की हेल्प से, इस नेक्स्ट नोड की हेल्प से सभी की सभी लिस्ट जो है वो कनेक्टेड है, सभी के सभी नोड्स जो है वो कनेक्टेड हैं. ओके, बट यहाँ पे जो कि ये फर्स्ट है, ठीक है, ये जो फर्स्ट नोड है हमारे पास, इसको रेफरेंस कहाँ से मिलेगा? ठीक है, इसको रेफरेंस मिलेगा हेड से. इस वाले सेक्शन में इसको बोला जाता है हेड. ओके, एंड जो लास्ट नोड होगी उस लास्ट नोड का रेफरेंस किसे जाएगा? अब जैसे इसका रेफरेंस तो नेक्स्ट नोड को जा रहा है, नोड 3 को जा रहा है, तो इसका रेफरेंस कहाँ जाएगा? इसका रेफरेंस जाएगा नल पे. ठीक है, सो नल इंडिकेट करता है कि यहाँ पे लिंक लिस्ट का एंड हो चुका है. दिस इज द एंड ऑफ लिंक लिस्ट. ओके, next important point is linked list representation. So this is how linked list looks like. So linked list contains a link element called first. ठीक है, यहाँ पे सिंपल आप लोगों ने चीजें याद रखनी है कि linked list can be defined as a collection of object and all these objects are called nodes. All these objects are called nodes and all these nodes are randomly stored in memory. These are sorry, randomly stored in memory. Okay, it is visualized as a chain of nodes. It is a chain of nodes where every node point to the next node. ठीक है, एंड यहाँ पे क्या होता है, ये है नेक्स्ट, ये रेफरेंस प्रोवाइड करवाता है नोड नंबर 2 को, एंड ये नेक्स्ट प्रोवाइड करवाता है नोड नंबर 3 को. अब इसके आगे कोई भी नोड नहीं है, देन इट विल, दिस नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट विल प्रोवाइड द लिंक टू null element, यानी कि this is the end of linked list, and this is what head indicates the starting point of linked list. Okay, a linked list contains a link element called first. Each link carries a data field. This is the data field where we store the values, and the link field called next. Each link is linked with its next लिंक यूजिंग द नेक्स्ट लिंक. ठीक है, ये सिंपल सी चीज है कि ये नेक्स्ट की हेल्प से लिंक किया जाता है. लास्ट लिंक कैरीज अ लिंक एज नल टू मार्क द एंड ऑफ द लिस्ट. राइट, so this is all about the basic introduction and the basic representation of linked list. I hope you understand every point. Thank you so much for watching this video.